Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate multiplication in Google Sheets on computer. So how to calculate multiplication in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. You can see here that I have prepared a table that will be calculated multiplication. I will immediately calculate multiplication from this data. Direct the cursor to the first column of the results. And tap. Next, type equals. Type the sum formula. And type open brackets. Enter the number by tapping on the first column. Type star. Enter the multiplication number by tapping the second column. Close brackets. And tap enter. You can see the results. Next, if here there are three values or three columns that will be calculated multiplication. Type equals. Type the sum formula. And type open brackets. Enter by tapping on the first column. Type star. Enter the multiplication number by tapping the second column. Type. Enter the multiplication number by tapping the third column. Type the closing bracket. And tap enter. Now you can see the results. So that's it, the tutorial how to calculate multiplication in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.